In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to issue a partial refund to your buyer on eBay. This can be useful for resolving issues or making amends with customers, ensuring their satisfaction, and fostering a positive selling reputation. Let's dive into the steps to complete this process seamlessly. First, you'll need to log into your eBay seller account. Open your preferred web browser and head to the eBay homepage. You'll see the Sign In button in the top right corner, so click on that. Enter your username and password to access your seller account. Once you're logged in, your dashboard will appear. Here, you'll need to locate the Sold Items section. It's an essential area of your account as it keeps track of all transactions that have been successfully completed. You'll find this option under the Selling section, typically on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it. In the Sold Items list, look through the entries to find the relevant transaction for which you wish to issue a refund. This may require you to use the search or filter function to narrow down the results, especially if you have a large number of items sold and need to pinpoint one quickly. Once you've identified the correct transaction, you'll want to select it by clicking on the transaction details. Next, you'll find an option labeled Send Refund. This button will prompt a new set of options or a dialog box, depending on the version of the interface you're using. What you want to do here is choose Partial Refund. This option allows you to determine the specific amount of the refund instead of returning the full purchase price, which can be incredibly helpful if only a portion of the order has an issue. With the partial refund option selected, you'll need to enter the refund amount. Make sure to input the dollar amount you wish to return very carefully, as this action will directly affect your finances and the buyer's refund. It's wise to double check this figure against your calculations or any agreements you have made with the buyer. Next, you'll see a field to provide a reason for the refund. Be as clear and concise as possible, detailing any issues with the product or the circumstances agreed upon with the buyer. Providing a thorough explanation not only records this information for your reference, but also helps to reassure the buyer that their concerns have been addressed. The final step involves completing the refund. After confirming all your entries are correct, go ahead and process it. However, don't stop there. It's crucial to maintain clear communication with your buyers, so make sure to notify them that their refund has been issued. A short message expressing your commitment